Okay, so we're going to do chapter 12, check your progress, and that's on page, where is this? Where's the page? 529, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is find the amount. I'm going to do this with you because I know that a lot of you have so much trouble with money, so let's do this. This is a nickel, 5 cents. This is 25 cents. A dime is 10. Pennies are 1. And again, a dime is 10, a nickel, and 1. So what you do first is you add the biggest value. So the biggest value is 25 plus the dime. So 25 plus 10 is 35, plus 10 is 45. Then we do plus 5 is 50, plus another 5 is 55, 56, 57. So we have 58 cents over here, right? Let's do this one. We have 25, and then another 25. So that's 50, 25, 50. Let's do the dime, 10 cents. So 25, 50, 60, 65, because that's a nickel. And then another nickel, 70, 71, 72 cents. So that should be 72 cents, right? All right, so let's do 3 different ways to show each amount. So let's start with this first amount. Let's see, one way to do it would be the easiest way to make 94 is 9 dimes. That's 90 and 4 cents, and 4 pennies. So we don't want to use 0 quarters and 0 nickels. We're going to have 9 dimes and 4 pennies, and we have 94. Or we could say 3 quarters, that's 75 cents, right? 75 plus 10 is 85, so a dime. 3 quarters and a dime is 85, plus a nickel, right, is 90, and 4 cents. So these make 90, and this is 4. Another way is to do 2 quarters is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We could do 4 dimes, 0 nickels. We don't need a nickel because we have 90 with that, and 4 pennies. Okay, let's make 70. Again, easiest way is to make 7 dimes. And then we don't need any quarters, we don't need any nickels, we don't need any pennies. We can do 70 pennies and 0, 0, 0, because once you have 70, you have 70. Or you can do 2 quarters, which is 50, and 2 dimes, which is 50, 60, 70. And that's the end of that, right? So those are the 3 ways you can make 70 cents. All right, so let's look at the bottom. It says compare the total amounts of the 2 groups and circle the group with a greater amount. Okay, so we have 25, and 25 is 50. And then we have 1 dime 60, another dime 70, 10, and 10, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82. So this, oh, did I skip something? Let me try it. 25, 50, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. Oh, that's right. 25, 80, 81, 82. So we have 82 cents. Over here, we have 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 80, 85. So on this one, we have 85 cents. Right? So the greater amount is the bigger number. So this would be the greater amount. Okay? All right, that's that page. Let's turn the page and do the second part. All right, it says A pen costs 78 cents. The coins shown shows the amount paid. Write the amount of change. All right, so we're looking for the difference between the amount paid and the amount that the pen costs. So we know the pen costs 78 cents. All right, 78. Let's see how much money was paid. We have 25, 50, 75, 85. So there's 85 cents here because it's 25, 25, 25. That's 75 plus 10 is 85. So that's 85. So let's find the difference by subtracting. Remember, to find the difference between two numbers, you're subtracting. So we know that the pen was 78 and they paid 85. How much change did they get? So do this regular subtraction. Is the number on top bigger? No. Let's make it bigger by borrowing. This becomes 15. 15 take away 8. 8 count up. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is 7. And the answer is, the difference or the change is 7 cents. All right, let's do this one. We have 25 and 25, 50. Then we have 10 more 60, 10 more 70, 75, and 80. So this one is 80 cents, right? Okay, that's 80 cents. So remember subtraction? When we subtract money, it's exactly the same. The only difference is that you're going to write the cents, okay? So look, is the number on top bigger? No, it's not. I need to borrow. This becomes 6 and this becomes 15. 6 counting up to 15. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the answer is 9. Right? And 6 take away 1 is 5. So the answer is 59 cents. Over here, the number on top bigger? Yes, it is. So, but this is addition. So it's easy. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1, carry the 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 81 cents. On this one, we do subtraction again. Is the number on top bigger? No, it's not. Go to my neighbor. I'm going to take 1 away, regroup. And this becomes 14. 14, take away 8. 8 counting up. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we counted up 6. So the answer is 6. And 8 take away 3 is 5. And so the answer is 56 cents. All right, show a dollar in 3 ways. Oh, this is easy. One way, 4 quarters. 4 quarters equal $1. Second way, so 0, 0, 0, because we're not going to use any dimes, any nickels, any pennies. Just 4 quarters. The second way is to use 10 dimes. We don't need this, we don't need this, and we don't need this. And the third easiest way is to write 100 pennies. 100 pennies is equal to $1 as well, right? So 0, 0, 0. All right, show 2 different ways to make the given amount. $215. Okay, well, one way is to have 2 $100 bills, 100, 200, one $10 bill, that's 210, and one $5 bill, and that's 215. Or we could do 4 $50 bills to make 200, one $10 bill, and one $5 bill. Those are 2 different ways to make that. Okay, so you can, I wanted to do it with you so it would be easier for you. But please try to understand, and if you have a question, let me know. All right.